Hi there, welcome to this Microsoft Excel tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how we can use spell checking in Excel. Once we have completed our task and wanted to share our work with others, we would definitely want to make sure it doesn't include any spelling errors. Fortunately, Excel includes a spell checking tool that you can use to make sure everything in your workbook is spelled correctly.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
If you have used the spell checking feature in Microsoft Word, just be aware that the spell checking tool in Excel, while helpful, is not as powerful. For example, it wouldn't check for grammar issues or check spelling as you type. To use the spell checking, I have to go to the Review tab and then I have to select the spelling command. The spelling dialog box will appear. For each spelling error in your worksheet, spell check will try to offer suggestions for the correct spelling. Choose a suggestion and then click change to correct the error. I would also like to mention that spell checking isn't always correct. It will sometimes mark certain words as incorrect even if they are spelled correctly. This often happens with the names which may not be in the dictionary. You can choose not to change the spelling errors using one of the following three options. The first is the ignore ones. This will skip the word without changing it. The second option is ignore all. This will skip the word without changing it and also skip all the other instances of the word in your worksheet. The third option is add. This adds the word to the dictionary so it will never appear as an error. Make sure the word is spelled correctly before choosing this option. Once you have done with the spell checking, a dialog box will be open. It will say spell check complete, you are good to go. You have to click OK and the process is completed. And there you have it. This is all about spell checking in Excel. I hope you have understand all the concepts. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comments below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Microsoft Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.